Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dolly and today's video is about making beginner's kit. So all of you beginners right there, I have a few options for you guys to choose from, and the products I'm going to show you all, I have used it personally and I've loved them. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's be very specific about the products and let's start with the base first. So for your base, let's start with the primer first. I'm using this primer. So this is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and it's a foldable primer and it works absolutely fine. So if you're a beginner, actually it depends on you guys. If you want to invest in a primer, you can definitely go for this one. So see, the basic product that I have used and people rave about is Maybelline Fit Me. Definitely big thumbs up to that product because I have used that in past, but currently I'm using Milani's foundation. Even this is nice, but it's like a little on a higher budget. It's for around 1200 rupees or so. I'll just check in with the rates. I'm gonna link down everything in the bottom box. So if you have a oily skin, so you can definitely try out this one. It's from Lakme 9 to 5 range and it's like a primer plus matte powder foundation if you're an oily skin girl. So you can definitely try out this one. It's full coverage, very handy, and it's good for oily skin, but not for a dry person because if you have a powdery finish to your foundation, then definitely it shows and it looks very patchy. So try not to use a powder foundation for a dry skin person, right? So you get this sponge and you get this powder. You get the sponge here, you get the powder, and here is the mirror, so you can just use, it's very handy to use. So those were my options for a foundation. Now let's move on to concealers. So for concealers, I have my all-time favorite product which I use on every time that I put on concealer. This is the concealer that I go for every time. So this is LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. Now it's been a year I am using this concealer. It gives amazing coverage. It's not making your skin look dry or patchy or white, which this product is not doing with me. So it's a good affordable product. If you want to start with a good product. Even Maybelline's Fit Me concealer is fine, but I highly recommend you guys this one because I have tried Fit Me concealer, but it used to look very white on my skin, or it was not blending well with my skin. Maybe it can suit your skin well, but not mine. So I'll recommend you guys this one. Okay guys, so moving on, I have the second option, that is this Maybelline Age Rewinding Concealer. Now this one has this, even this one is a little bit costlier. I think it's for 600 or so, but even this one has full coverage and this one is blendable with full coverage, and a lot of YouTubers recommend this one. So I think even I have used it, but if you want to go with my perception, I think this one is best than anything else in the world right now. For me, I think hands down this concealer is the Maybelline Age Rewinding Concealer. Now this one has this, even this one is a little bit costlier. I think it's for 600 or so, but even this one has full coverage and this one is blendable with full coverage, and a lot of YouTubers recommend this one. So I think even I have used it, but if you want to go with my perception, I think this one is best than anything else in the world right now. For me, I think hands down this concealer is big. Now let's move on to setting powders. So I have two options for you guys that I've used and I've used personally, and I am recommending you guys. So this first one is this Miss Claire's blooming face powder. So even this is a setting powder, so you get like a sponge and powder is inside, and then you can just use it, or like a setting powder. So even this one is good, and I will also recommend you guys Maybelline's Fit Me range, and that powder is amazing, guys. Recommending that one, obviously. So the next one is this. Okay, so this one is a little expensive. It's for 800 or 750 or something. So this one is Revolution's banana powder. I have used this product. I am using this product currently, and I might say that this is the best one that I've used. It actually like it has this finish like the Huda Beauty setting powder has, in my opinion, guys. So I really like this one, so I'll recommend you guys this one. Okay guys, so let's move on with our eyeshadow palettes. Now I have this palette right here. It's from Sivana. So it has all the colors that you will need, like basic colors. So it has these neutrals like black, browns, and a nude color, and even it has these glittery shades right here, and even some matte shades. So I think this is a very sufficient palette, and I got it for around 350 rupees, and it has like a good color payoff, so it stays for a long time, and they are very pigmented. So I think you might want to check out this one. If you're a beginner, then you can definitely buy a palette, a small palette, or even you can buy these shadows from Miss Claire. I got this few years back for around 100 rupees. These are the shadows, and they are also very pigmented. Like, look at it, guys. So I recommend you guys these Miss Claire shadows for sure, and that's the Sivana eyeshadow palette. So choose whichever you want to. Okay. This is Maybelline's liner. I think it has a good tip to work with, and it is pigmented also, works very fine, and I will recommend you guys this one definitely. And even the Lakme's liner is very good, and the kajal is amazing. Even the nykaa's kajal is amazing. You should definitely try that one. Now let's move on to mascara. So for mascara, my all-time favorite is this product right here. It's Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. So this one I have been using for I think 3 years now, and I don't think I'm going to change my mascara anytime soon. So yeah, this one makes your lashes look very pretty and long. So I have applied this mascara right now, and you guys can see I've not put on any fake lash or something. So it's very amazing. Like it makes your lashes look so good and long and thick. You don't need to wear any lashes on. So I'll recommend you guys this mascara hands down. Let's move on with some highlighter options. I have 3 options for you guys with 3 different ranges. So first starting with this Sivana colors highlighter, pretty good highlighter, so I'm going to show you all over here. It's amazing product in a lower budget. If you're looking for something that is around 300 or so, you can definitely try out Sivana colors highlighter. Next up I have my two favorites, like my favorites. So this one is Nykaa's Strobe and Glow. If you want that bronzy looking tanned highlighter, then you can definitely try out this one. It gives you that smoky, it gives you that tanned look and bronzy look, so you can try this one. And if you want a glowy, like the highlighter that I am putting right now is this Revolutions highlighter, Makeup Revolutions highlighter. So oh my god guys, I highly recommend you guys this one. I'm just gonna show you all a little swatch of this. So just check this out guys, just look at it. It's such a beautiful highlighter. So this one hands down is my favorite, and I use this and I've used it today also, so you can just see this shine on my face. Now I have a few options for makeup brushes for you guys. So as a beginner, you can definitely try Vega brushes. So Vega has a lot of brushes and they are quite affordable and they are good quality, so you can definitely use Vega brushes for makeup. I have only 3 brushes. You can just buy it like different brushes, or you can get a set also, but I thought I would just buy the things that I mean the brushes that I want. So this is like a blush brush, so you can use it like this. This is an eyeshadow brush for eyeshadow, and this is a foundation brush, so you can definitely use it to blend in your foundation. Even the beauty blenders work amazing. So if you want a full coverage, you can definitely use makeup brush. I have one more options for you guys to buy makeup brushes from. So I highly recommend you guys to buy brushes from Miniso. So this is like this is a foundation brush and this is a concealer brush, 2-in-1. So I got this from Miniso. Even this is eyeshadow brush. It's very useful for blending your eyeshadow. And I have one more Miniso brush, so got this set together. And this is a brow brush. So this is the spoolie, and this is the brush to fill your brows. So I like the quality of the brushes. I think I got this pair for $250, and even this pair for this one for $250. So yeah, it's good. I have a few lipstick options, affordable lipstick options. There's soft lip cream. I have 4 shades with me right now. These shades I have used a lot, and I am using this for about 3 years now. So all these products I have used. When I was a makeup beginner, I started with these lipsticks. So it's affordable, pocket friendly. It's for only like 250 rupees. So, and you have different shades that you can select from. So I have this 08, which comes in a pinky shade. I have a red one which is 26. I have this nude one that I love using. This is 57, and I have 05. And I have this Maybelline's lipsticks. So this one is fuchsia. Amazing color guys, just amazing. This is like a dark hot pink color, and this one is a basic red lips that we all love. Basic red and a hot pink. This is fuchsia pink, and this one is siren in scarlet. 2 lipsticks from nykaa. So this is this. So I have this lipstick. This is called, I think, Top Thrill. This shade is amazing. Guys. I think guys can definitely try this one. I think it's for 350 rupees. Even I have also this shade from Nykaa. This is Bombay in the mini version. I love this one, and I got this small packaging because, you know, it's very handy to use it in your purse, and when you're going out or somewhere, you can just, it's so mini, it's so cute that you can, you know, definitely it won't take a lot of space in your purse. But this one is Bombay. Both shades look different. This is Bombay and this one is Top Thrill. My personal favorite nude lipstick is this NYX Lingerie in the shade Ruffle Trim. This is my favorite nude lipstick of all time. So I'm going to show you all a swatch. Guys, love it. Love this shade a lot. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.